In this video, we'll look at a field processor. You've received some feedback. The credit card expiration date field is causing some concern about different formatting depending on country. Month first, then date, or vice versa, etc. We could display it as a date type field, but it has been decided to just remove the field altogether. Open the Lab 6 Kafka to Kafka pipeline and click Edit. Click the gear icon on the line connecting the origin to the destination, and then click plus to insert a stage. Select the Field Remover stage located in the Processors tab. The Field Remover stage is created. It displays the Remove Keep tab by default. You know you need to remove a field, but the stage gives no indication what that field might be called. Right now, you don't have access to the schema either, so you can't look it up. But that's okay. Remember, the preview function can help you here. Before you can run a preview, you will need to update the Kafka consumer group. Click the Kafka origin stage. Enter something different in the consumer group field. From the documentation, when the consumer group and topic combination does not have a previously stored offset, the Kafka multi-topic consumer origin uses the auto offset reset property to determine the first message to read. You can set the origin to read messages in the topic starting from the earliest message, from the latest message, or just from a particular timestamp. The default setting is the earliest message. This results in the origin reading all existing messages in the topic. Otherwise, the offset is kept at the end and will only process any new records placed in that topic. So therefore, by specifying a new consumer group, we are effectively resetting the offset. Click Preview and select Run Preview. The preview runs and processes the first 10 records. You can change that to a different number by configuring the preview. For now, leave the default preview settings in place. Click the different stages to see the preview data. Close the preview. Click the Field Remover stage again. Click the Fields field in the Remove Keep tab. This time, the entire schema loads in a menu. Scroll down and select /credit card expiration date. You have successfully removed a field from the data in your pipeline. After verifying the pipeline, you've sent the results to your manager for review. Great news! It works perfectly. You have approval to check in the pipeline and run it as a job. Now it's your turn to do this lab in your lab environment.